Welcome to spectacular Monte Carlo for the inaugural Solar1 Monte Carlo Cup, running from the 10th to the 12th of July. A new era of powerboats were on show today at the prestigious Yacht Club de Monaco as the best teams in this green and innovative sport gathered to set the pace for a new generation of powerboat enthusiasts. Showing off an array of fancy boats with high-tech designs and all totally powered from solar energy, the teams were oozing positivity as they displayed their vessels ahead of racing.
So we wanted to make sure for the public that they understand you can have fun racing on the water at high speeds, but do that totally environmental friendly. So this is how we invented the solar racers, which only take the power from the sun, and we use that to go forward, no fossil fuels at all.
Once the last instructions were given to the skippers, all of the boats prepared for the first starting signal. There were 3 classes to race today: the A class, the Open class and the V20 class, with each team being allowed to enter 1 boat per class. 3 racing formats are scheduled for this prestigious event: fleet race, slalom race and one-on-one sprint race. The opening day was all about the fleet race. The boats squeezed in along the starting line waiting for the gun before they could leap into action. The fleet race focuses on endurance, highlighting the ability of the boats to run for a long period of time whilst being powered solely by nature. The mission for the teams today was to try and complete as many laps as possible within a 2-hour period. The V20 is a one-design class, meaning all the boats are very similar, but despite the similarities, Team Beluga, powered by Synergy, were stand out, leaving their rivals far behind. In the Open class, Midnight Sun KYAMK team ruled the waves and secured first place, and in A class, where all the teams had to follow the maximum length and power output restriction, the Dutch solar boat team came out on top. Endurance was key here, so the pilots had to sacrifice speed to save energy. Quite an ask in the choppy conditions.
Well, at this moment we were going as fast as was safe on those waves. So not much of energy saving, it was not that hard. But because of the problems we had to figure out a new strategy. But that was not that big of a problem because we have lots of sun here.
Tomorrow the championship progresses to the next round, where it's speed rather than endurance that is key. So with a change in focus for the teams, we expect to see a dramatic difference in driving style and some intense racing. Stay tuned for our next report.